So I just came across this new database called Turso. It's like an in-process SQL database, but it's built with Rust.
Wait, really? And SQL database in Rust? That's interesting. What's the big deal about it?
Well, first off, it's compatible with SQLite, which is a huge plus for developers already familiar with it.
That makes sense. SQLite is so widely used, but how does Turso enhance that experience?
It has features like real-time tracking through change data capture and supports multiple languages, including Go and JavaScript.
Wow, that's pretty versatile. But how does it handle performance? I mean, SQL databases can be quite resource intensive.
Exactly, Turso claims to offer asynchronous I/O support, especially on Linux, which could improve performance.
Asynchronous I/O, that's a game changer, but isn't it still in beta? I wonder how stable it is.
Yeah, that's a valid concern. They do warn users to be cautious with production data because it's still developing.
That's a huge red flag if you ask me. But on the other hand, the potential for innovation is exciting.
Right, plus, they're introducing vector support for exact searches and vector manipulation, which is super modern.
Okay, that sounds cool, but how effective is vector search in databases? Does it actually improve anything?
It's still a growing area, but vector search can enhance performance in scenarios like recommendation systems.
So you're saying it could make searches more intuitive. That's a neat twist on traditional querying.
Exactly, and they're also working on features for easier schema management, like extended alter support.
I can see how that would be beneficial, especially for larger applications where schema changes can get tricky.
Totally, but I wonder if the complexity of those features could also lead to bugs or performance hiccups.
That's a fair point. Moving fast can sometimes mean overlooking critical testing, especially in beta.
Speaking of bugs, they offer up to $1,000 for finding data corruption issues in their software.
Wait, what? That's a pretty interesting incentive for developers to test it out.
Yeah, they're really focused on reliability, which is key for any database. It's a bold move.
But does that mean they're confident in its reliability? Or are they just trying to get more eyes on it?
A bit of both, I think. It shows they're serious, but it also highlights the need for thorough testing.
So it's both a marketing tactic and a genuine attempt to ensure quality. That's interesting.
Exactly, and they emphasize a community-driven approach, encouraging contributions.
That's refreshing. Open source projects often lead to faster improvements and innovations.
For sure, and they're planning to integrate with AI through their Model Context Protocol server.
AI interaction with databases, that's a futuristic concept. How does that work?
It allows AI assistants to query databases directly, making data interaction more seamless.
Wow, that could revolutionize how we interact with databases. But what about security?
Good question. The beta phase raises concerns about vulnerabilities, especially with AI involved.
Exactly. They need to ensure robust security measures before widespread adoption.
Right? It's crucial for trust. If security isn't solid, users will hesitate to adopt it.
So what do you think? Should developers dive in now or wait for a more stable release?
I think it depends on their use case. If they're looking for innovation, it's worth exploring.
But for production-level applications, maybe waiting for more stability is wise.
That sounds about right. Balancing innovation with reliability is key in tech.
Exactly. And it'll be fascinating to see how Turso evolves in the coming months.
Agreed, with such a strong foundation in Rust, the potential is huge.
It really is. I can't wait to see the community engagement and contributions grow.
Yeah, that'll be the true test of its capabilities and longevity. Exciting times ahead.
Definitely. I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on this project and its developments.